Life, like a movie, will come to an end. Our roles, like actors, will cease. Let's live our lives virtuously. And thus, celebrate a life well lived.
Hello friends, welcome back to Unveiling Buddhism. In our last episode, we delved into Siddhartha's profound reflections when he first confronted death. And today, we are tackling the infamous D word. Yes, death. Now, we get it. It's a topic most people would prefer to dodge faster than a hot potato. But let's face it, death is that one unwavering event on our life itinerary. Instead of dodging the subject, why not explore it with a positive perspective and heed the Buddha's teachings on preparation? Stick around for the next few minutes as we unravel the wisdom behind facing the unavoidable. Buddhists address the unavoidable reality of death by fostering mental readiness through the practice of non-attachment. As we age, this process includes letting go of possessions, whether through garage sales, charitable donations, or passing them on to loved ones. This process aims to lighten our mental load. Just as a bird cannot fly with stones tied to its legs, the idea is to ensure that our final journey takes off smoothly as well. Recognizing the inevitability of death, we take proactive steps such as preparing a will to facilitate a smooth inheritance of assets. This minimizes potential family conflicts that may arise from disputes over our belongings. Open communication about end-of-life preferences is crucial. For example, do we prefer a natural passing or artificial life extension through medical devices? This practice not only minimizes family conflicts, but also makes it easier for our caregivers to make important decisions on our behalf. If we desire spiritual practices and support at our deathbed, openly discussing our wishes in advance and making arrangements can ensure a peaceful transition and provide convenience for our caregivers. If we haven't attained enlightenment yet at the end of this life, we can embrace the perspective that death is akin to falling asleep and waking up to a new adventure in a new life. This perspective helps reduce fear in our minds. Additionally, recalling all the good deeds we have done in life brings a sense of peace and positivity. Central to the Buddhist faith is enlightenment. But if we did not attain it yet, fear not. Our strong faith in Buddha will lead to rebirth in heaven at least. If you want to learn more about this, catch our episode 1. While Buddhists do not perceive death as wholly negative, it is not meant to be an escape from problems in life either. Suicide is considered a negative deed that leads to more suffering in the next life. Therefore, taking one's life does not solve any problems, but creates additional ones, making it an unwise course of action. In case you've lost track of what we've covered so far, let's sum it up. Death is certain, but when it will happen is uncertain. To embrace this uncertainty, it is wiser to focus on being prepared for the inevitable while actively living each moment to the fullest, free from negativity and regrets. This approach not only enriches our present existence, but also transforms our life into a fruitful journey. So let's cherish every moment, whether spent with loved ones or in solitude. Reflecting on life's grand finale, the fulfillment of giving our best and savoring the positive contributions we've made brings a deep sense of joy. This joy carries on to the next life. In this episode, we delved into a comprehensive approach to death, encompassing mental, spiritual, and practical preparations. Finally, a sprinkle of humor, be it through surprises or parties, brings a special touch to our outlook on death, defying the conventional idea that death should be a somber occasion. Celebrating one's life can bring happiness to those who remain. Why not fill the grand finale with moments of joy and laughter? Reflecting on life's impermanence guides us not just in gracefully facing death, but also in reveling in the abundance of existence. With this, we can proudly declare that is a life well lived. And there you have it, friends. We trust that these insights into the Buddha's wisdom have ignited a spark for positive transformations in your life. Thanks a bunch for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll delve into more profound aspects of life. Until then, may your path be adorned with moments of joy and a life truly well lived. See you next time.